Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have a big news. GitHub has officially opened applications for the GitHub Campus Expert Program 2026. If you are a student who loves building communities and creating opportunities on your campus, this video is made for you. Watch till the end. The GitHub Campus Expert Program is one of the most prestigious student leadership programs in the world right now. It is not just another student title. Real mentorship, professional training, exclusive resources, and a global network of student leaders from around the world. As a GitHub campus expert, you become the go-to tech leader on your campus. You organize technical events, run workshops, support peer learning, and create real opportunities for your fellow students. You build a stronger, more connected student community, and GitHub supports you every step of the way. And here is something very important to know. GitHub selects only one campus expert per campus. That means if you get selected, you are the official GitHub representative for your entire university. That is sets you apart from every other student on your campus. Now let's talk about who can apply. The eligibility requirements are very clear. You must be 18 years or older. You must be currently enrolled in a higher education institution like a college or university. And you must have at least one full academic year remaining before your graduation date. You also need to have had a GitHub account for at least 6 months. This shows that you are genuinely active on the platform. And you must already have the GitHub Student Developer Pack, the free student benefits pack from GitHub. If you don't have it yet, go get it first before applying. Now let me tell you what you get from this program. The most valuable benefit is the 6-week training program, completely free of charge. Over 6 weeks, you will analyze your campus community, develop leadership skills, learn public speaking, technical writing, and software development practices, all guided by GitHub's expert team. At the end of your 6-week training, you will write a community impact proposal, a real action plan for your campus community. This document outlines the events you plan to organize, the goals you want to achieve, and the impact you want to create. This becomes your roadmap as a campus expert. You also join a global network of student leaders and campus experts from universities all around the world. This network gives you access to exclusive GitHub events, global collaboration opportunities, and connections with top tech professionals and GitHub team members directly. Now let me tell you what your application needs to include. GitHub wants to see 5 things from you. 1. Your motivation to become a campus expert. 2. The challenges your student community currently faces. 3. The opportunities you want to create on your campus. 4. Impact you hope to make. And 5. How you want to grow as a community leader. So when you are writing your application, be specific and be genuine. Do not write what you think GitHub wants to hear. Write about what you have actually observed on your campus. What problems do students face? What is missing? What would you build if had GitHub's full support behind you? That authenticity is what stands out. If your written application is shortlisted, you will move to the next stage. GitHub selects students who genuinely care about their communities, not just those with the best technical skills. And the benefits after completing training are incredible. You get access to exclusive GitHub resource and tools. GitHub may reimburse your travel for attending official program events. You get official recognition as a GitHub campus expert. And your profile gets listed on the global GitHub Campus Experts directory, visible to recruiters and tech companies worldwide. Now the most important thing, application deadline is July 31, 2026 at 9 p.m. Pacific time. That is your absolute final deadline. Do not wait until the last day. Start your application today. This is a life-changing opportunity for any student who wants to make a real impact on their campus. The application link is in the description below. Apply before July 31, 2026 and share this video with a friend on your campus who should apply too. Subscribe to my channel for more student opportunities like this. See you in the next one. Take care.